Yeah.
There's nothing left inside. I found a whole new love. My heart is open wide, with nothing left to show. I know I got high, but you didn't have to leave me so. Brother beat me blue, sister bled me dry. That's why I count on you when you don't treat me right. I know I held tight, but you didn't have to leave me so. Hollow, hollow, I don't need you tonight, so don't follow, follow. Left alone in the valley, so hollow, hollow. I know you wanna be mine, so don't follow, follow. Lost my heavy heart, it won't be replaced. I can fill the void, walk the empty space. So remember my face every time you left feeling so hollow, hollow. I don't need you tonight, so don't follow, follow. Left alone in the valley, so hollow, hollow. I know you wanna be mine, so don't follow, follow. There's nothing left inside. I found a whole new road. My heart is open wide, with no love to show. 'Cause I'm 1,000 miles in danger if I make a better stranger. 1,000 miles in danger if I make a better stranger. 1,000 miles in danger if I make a better stranger of you. I don't need you tonight, so don't follow, follow. Left alone in the valley, so hollow, hollow. I know you wanna be mine, so don't follow, follow. Yeah. Hollow, 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 Cause I'm 1,000 miles in danger if I make a better stranger of you.
I like to do this cash mile come over. As the usual, I keep forgetting.
I'm not sure which come by minute.
Bugging all of yous.
See ya.
See you, Marshman. Yeah, calmed on. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, and no one like me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Congratulations, you made it. Welcome to the Crusader. It's been a long time coming, yo. But I'm here now. So what you wanna do? How many dudes you really know can flow like this, like this, like this? Let's do it.
How many dudes you know roll like this? How many dudes you know flow like this?
Not many, infinity, not many, infinity.
How many dudes you know got the skills to go and rock a show like this? I don't know anybody.
Check to the mic, check a 1, 2 from a crew coming through. Are you hype yet? Nowadays everybody wanna talk, but we got someone on scribe. Ain't got nothing when I'm up in the live. It can't front when you feeling the vibe. You know scribe is taking me high. Love it with the double bass, vibrate, shake the plates in your vertebrae. Y'all hit a man move like a RS. Subaru with a crew, come equipped like a body kit. Lyrically I burn quick, so 1 foot is missed out to his tongue like a stale fish. This kid ain't H from the Vic when they get with the scribe. I'm live like a 05. I got vibe like a beehive, but when it wasn't from the square to the pier, but the seaside. And yet y'all know the way that we ride around town on the down low. Never know what the flow pro drop. Can't stop hip hop cause it don't stop. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out.
How many dudes you know roll like this? How many dudes you know flow like this?
Not many, infinity, not many, infinity.
How many dudes you know got the skills to go and rock a show like this? I don't know anybody. How many dudes you know roll like this? How many dudes you know flow like this?
Not many, infinity, not many, infinity.
How many dudes you know got the skills to go and rock a show like this? I don't know anybody.
Something for the ride on cruise control with the bass vibration, the vibe like an earthquake. To this day they're not good.